how to set the phone numbers for GSIM always on forwarding on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on connections. After that, scroll down, then tap on SIM manager. Now from here, we scroll down and then tap on more SIM settings. In here, tap on GSIM always on and then enter in the phone numbers. So tap on that. From here, put in the phone number for SIM 1 and then put in the phone number for SIM 2. After that, tap on done. Now out here, you can select how to forward calls. So you have 3 different options. Forward calls to any available SIM, only forward calls from SIM 1 to SIM 2, or only forward calls from SIM 2 to SIM 1. So select the available options, then tap on done. And after that, you can then turn on GSIM always on to start using it. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now make sure this is finished first before you do anything.